Hello class, today we're going to use TuxPaint and we're going to draw a pumpkin or a jack-o'-lantern. So we're going to click on our penguin friend over here, click one time and then press the enter key. The enter key has the owl sticker on it. And that opens TuxPaint. I've actually already got it open down here. So what you're going to do is start with the background. You're going to click on New, this piece of paper right here. And you're going to choose a black background. So you click on the black background and then you click on this open book down here. Now I'm going to draw a pumpkin. I'm going to take my paintbrush, so click on the paintbrush and get a brush. And my pumpkin's going to be orange, so I'm going to take orange. And I'm going to draw almost a circle, but pumpkins are not exactly circles. And I need to make sure that my lines connect here. That's very, very important that they touch. And then I'm going to draw a stem in green, so I change colors down here and I draw a stem. And again, I need to make sure my green line touches my orange line, that it's connected. Now I'm going to use this magic tool. See this magic wand over here? I'm going to click on the magic wand and I'm going to you can go up and down with this purple. Right here I'm going to look for this bucket. Looks like a paint bucket. It says fill on it. So I'm going to click on that. And I want to fill my pumpkin and make it orange. So I'm going to click on orange. And then I'm going to click in the pumpkin and it's orange. Then I'm going to click on the green and I'm going to pick on green. Now what will happen if you don't have a completely connected line is it won't fill it up. If that happens, remember to hit the undo button and try again. But the next time you try, you need to make sure that your lines are connected. Let me show you what I mean. If I do a pumpkin like this, but I don't connect the lines, and then I try to fill it with my magic tool, watch what happens. That's not what I wanted to happen. So I'm going to hit thumbs down, undo, and then I could connect the lines and redo it. But I don't really want a green pumpkin, so I'm just going to erase that. Whoops, I'm sorry, undo. Okay, so now I need some eyes. I want triangle eyes, so I'm going to click on this shape. See this black shape right here? And I want to click on the triangle, the dark black triangle, not the outline, just the dark black. This is a little tricky. Click on black down here and then you're going to click where you want the eye and then you drag and let go when you have it the way you want it. Okay, I'm dragged and now I'm going to let go of my mouse and I can turn it around, and then when I have it like I want it, then I'm going to click again on my mouse and then I have an eye. I'm going to do the same thing over here, and again I can turn it around and then I click again and there's my eye. And then I want a nose, turn it around, click and drag, let go, can turn it around, click again, and I have my nose. Then I'm going to do a mouth, so click on black, and this time I'm going to go to the paintbrush and I'm just going to draw the mouth right here. Okay, now I want to write my name, so I'm going to click on ABC text and click a font that I like over here. This changes the font, and I'm going to do it in yellow or orange or white, something that'll be Halloweeny and show up. I'm actually going to do yellow, and I'm going to write down here my name, which is Mrs. Miller. You're going to write your name, and then remember you can click to put it wherever you want. And when you have it where you want it, then you just click one of these tools over here, and that'll stamp it down. Then, I think I'm going to do another little shape in here. So I'm going to click on the shape over here. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-sided shape. It's called a pentagon. I'm going to go here and click on the dark black circle. Click on yellow. I'm going to click and drag and make like a moon. And then I'm going to go get a bat to be in my moon. So I'm going to click on the stamp button. And I'm going to go through the stamps until I find the holiday stamps. The holiday stamps will look like this with the green clovers and the candy canes. Looks like Christmas stuff. And then I'm going to hit this purple arrow and I'm going to go down and find Halloween stamps. And I'm going to find, I want a bat. And I want him to fly in front of there. He's a little big. I'm going to make him a little bit smaller. So I'm going to click down here to make him smaller and just put him right there. That kind of gives me a Halloween story. Oh, I could put a ghost in here too. Let's do a ghost. Here's a ghost. Now I want to be a white ghost. I don't want a red ghost. I want a white ghost. I'm going to click on white. And I can make him a little bit bigger. He's a little too big, so I'm going to hit undo, make him a little bit smaller. And there's my ghost. And let's see, I could even put a little skeleton face in there. And 1, 2, 3, I have 3 stamps. I can even put maybe a tombstone here. Let's see what this would look like. That's kind of big. So I'm going to hit undo, maybe make it smaller, and put it right there. And so now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 stamps in my picture. And I can have one more, maybe this little spider right here, he could be in my pumpkin. What do you think? Maybe put him right here, climbing on my pumpkin. And now I have my picture. I'm going to click on Save. I'm going to count my stamps. I can have 5 stamps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to hit Save and Quit. Yes, I'm done. When you're done with your drawing, you can practice keyboarding.